Okay, we are going to solder a bale on a bezel set of my signature triangle brand Dino Bone. Start with, we're using a third hand and a bale. We filed our surface of the bale and of the top of our bezel, fluxed it, and now we're going to add some easy solder. We soldered the bezel on the side with a hard, then soldered the back silver plate to the bezel with a medium, and now we're going to use an easy for the bale. I use a pick to control my solder. Start by cutting a small square. Solder to use. Flux it, both sides. And the flux helps to place it where you want, if you can. Hold on to it. Okay. Now, if it'll sit still long enough for us to heat it up. And it moves. It's not easy, boys and girls. I think a good bench driller makes about $55 to $75 an hour, because it is not easy. First you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. Better throw a torch a little. Not too much, so if we got it down all the way where we want it. Already got it. Let's quench it and pickle. And rinse it in water. There it is. The bale set on bezel. Thank you.